Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today's video is very interesting. So let's get started and subscribe. First, I open my Illustrator, I take my size and you take your size, and open my drawing file. Then I take a circle shape. It needs some twacked. Then it's copy. Again it double copy. Now I extra side for remove. Okay, it is perfect. And it's copy and it need rotate. It can be an under. Then it copy and rotate. Then I select a circle shape. And other side remove. And it copy from the other side. And I select a circle shape. Again it copy and some twacked. Now it copy. Again. It is some hard but helpful, so please subscribe my channel. Some twacked. Now remove it. Be carefully remove. Okay, it is beautiful. Now I select a circle shape and some twacked. Now remove it. Again, select a circle shape. Some twacked. Now other side for remove. Oh, some problem. Okay, it is perfect. Again select a circle. Other side for remove. Again select a circle. Now extra side for remove. And again. And again. Now I select a double circle shape. And again I take and some twacked. Now I select a 3-color, select a text, and choose font. Now second layer, some small converted. Okay, thanks for watching this video and please subscribe channel. Bye, ta-ta.